Did you know that small feeding mistakes can cause calcium deficiency, weak egg laying, or even chick deaths? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to adjust your Finch's diet through every season and every life stage, from chicks to seniors, from breeding to molting, with no confusion left. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finch Academy. And today I'm going to walk you through a complete Finch feeding guide based on real avian care references and practical experience. Before we start, remember this: a seed-only diet just doesn't work anymore, especially for indoor or caged birds. A balanced diet must include a quality seed mix or pellet base, soft foods like egg food during breeding, fresh fruits and vegetables, sprouted seeds, and proper mineral and vitamin supplements when needed. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. You'll get tons of advanced Finch care tutorials every week. Section 1. Core feeding rules that always apply. Main base. Use a quality pellet or balanced seed mix. Pellets help prevent nutritional deficiencies because they contain balanced micronutrients. Fresh water daily. Constant calcium source, cuttlebone or calcium powder, especially critical in breeding season. Variety. Rotate fruits, greens, sprouts, and controlled protein sources. Cleanliness. Wash food and water dishes daily, especially after giving soft or sprouted foods to prevent bacteria or mold. Section 2. Season-by-season feeding plan. Spring. Breeding preparation. 2 to 3 weeks before egg laying, boost protein and energy. Add high-protein egg food and sprouted seeds. This improves egg quality and chick survival. Provide calcium sources, cuttlebone, and soluble calcium supplements. Females especially need them. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really helps more bird keepers find these expert tips. Summer. Growth and energy. Chicks and active adults need higher energy. Offer more sprouts, fresh greens, and juicy fruits. Keep food and water cooled to avoid spoilage. Maintain protein for growing chicks, and if you hand feed, use trusted commercial hand feeding formulas under safe guidelines. Autumn. Molting preparation. During molting, birds need amino acids and healthy fats for feather growth. Add small amounts of flax or other safe oil seeds, plus vitamin A-rich greens. Support with multivitamins or minerals if feathers look dull. Winter. Warmth and immunity. Increase calories slightly to help finches stay warm. Feed small, frequent portions. Include some egg food as a warm energy source. Ensure vitamin D3 supplementation. Light deficiency is common indoors. Keep the environment dry and hygienic to prevent fungal infections. Section 3. Feeding by life stage. 1. Chicks, 0 to 3 weeks. Days 0 to 7. Parents feed them soft, protein-rich food. For hand feeding, use proper formulas and maintain correct temperature. Days 7 to 21. Introduce soft grains and sprouts gradually. Avoid dry seed too early. After 21 days, transition slowly to main seed or pellet mix, while keeping some soft food available. 2. Juveniles, growing birds. Diet: 60 to 70% pellets or balanced seed mix, plus vegetables and sprouts. Occasional protein boost helps during rapid growth. 3. Breeding adults. Females. Increase calcium and vitamins before and during egg laying. Give egg food daily or every other day until chicks hatch. Males need moderate protein for feeding chicks and maintaining mating behavior. Avoid overfeeding to prevent obesity. 4. Seniors. Older birds require softer, easy-to-digest foods, vitamin support, and regular vet checkups. Section 4. Sprouts, fruits, and vegetables. Sprouts. Great protein and micronutrient source, 2 to 3 times a week or daily for chicks. Leafy greens, spinach, parsley, curly lettuce. Vary them. Avoid overfeeding oxalate-rich greens. Fruits: apple, banana, orange. Small portions, no pits or seeds. Total share: 10 to 20% of daily diet, while can increase slightly during breeding or molting. Section 5. Supplements, when they're actually needed. Calcium is essential before and during breeding. Use reputable products like Nectin Calcium Plus according to directions, not continuously year-round. Multivitamins. Use only short-term for recovery or visible deficiency. Overuse may cause imbalance. Always follow dosage instructions. Section 6. Common feeding mistakes to avoid. Seed-only diets lead to malnutrition and weak immunity. Overusing calcium or supplements can cause mineral imbalance. Dirty or spoiled food causes bacterial or fungal infection. Sudden diet changes. Always switch gradually over 1 to 2 weeks. Section 7. Seasonal feeding checklist. Task: frequency. Fresh water, daily. Cuttle bone, available always. Supplement use, only when needed. Base diet check, weekly. Fresh fruits and veggies, 3 to 5 times per week. Sprouts, 2 to 3 times per week, daily for chicks. Weight and behavior check, weekly. Section 8. Summary. To sum up, a balanced base diet, variety, calcium during breeding, and strict food hygiene are the 4 pillars of healthy finches. If you apply these principles, you'll see stronger feathers, higher breeding success, and longer lifespans. Before you go, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these educational videos coming. Have questions or personal experiences? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one and might feature your question in the next video.